Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. Whenever we go over to our Greek friend's home for dinner, there will always be feta cheese. Whether it's in a main course or in a salad or in a side dish, or often just a big hunk of it on the counter. You break off pieces and enjoy it with a piece of bread. Well, we were over there recently, and Gus and Maria they had the big chunk on the counter so you could munch on feta. But also, they made a salad with tomatoes and feta cheese, but they put pepper rings on them. I don't think I've ever had pepper rings on a salad, but you know, the crunch, and they were mild peppers, so the crunch and the slight heat and everything just worked perfectly with the feta. Well, the light bulb went off, and here's what I came up with. Okay, this is a layered salad, and I've done all the prep work in advance, so I'll just show you how I put it together. I start with a base of potatoes, and these are red skins, and I just slice them and then cut them again into half circles and steam them. So that goes on the bottom. Okay, because they're on the bottom, I'm going to salt them right now. These potatoes definitely need salt. Next, I add some onions. These are 2 medium onions. I slice thin, and I'm just going to sprinkle those all over the top. The next layer is going to be tomatoes. These are 4 medium tomatoes. Put those all over the top. This is a big salad. This will serve a lot of people. Then come these wonderful pepper rings that I was so impressed by. These are mild pepper rings right out of a jar. There's a good half cup of them. So those get sprinkled on. Also adds great color. And then, of course, the inevitable feta cheese. This is a good cup of crumbled feta. So you put that all over the top. Almost looks like snow, doesn't it? It's snowing with feta cheese. You have to put a lot of feta. Now I'm going to make a very simple dressing to put all over the top of this. I have 2/3 of a cup of olive oil. I think it's Greek. I'm going to add about 1/4 of a cup of white wine vinegar, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper. And I have some fresh chopped oregano, 2 tablespoons worth. Fresh oregano really is perfect for this salad. So you just whisk that together. Now when I serve this, I like to take a big spoon and just carve out a chunk of it so you get all those layers in there. So I'm going to take a bite right now, and I'm going to try and get all the layers. telling you, the pepper rings make this salad. Everything is good about it. And also, this is great the next day. If you have any leftovers, put them in the refrigerator and it's fantastic the next day. So thank you, Gus and Maria, for your inspiration.